Hey friends, if you get this message saying an error occurred, please try again later. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, first of all, open that browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Click on the bin symbol and clear now. Now click on these three dots once again. Select extensions and click on manage extensions. If you find any problematic extension, then remove it. Then go to help and feedback and click on about Microsoft Edge or about whichever browser it is, because this is the Chromium base and all other browsers would be similar, and make sure that it's updated to the latest version. Then select settings, go to the reset settings tab, click on restore settings to their default values and reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.